Hi all, it's Diane with the Cocoa Exchange. Wanted to show you what's for supper tonight. I have some, I'm going to make a chicken salad with our Cocoa Exchange white chocolate raspberry, no, our white chocolate lemon peppercorn salad dressing. Sorry about that. Raspberry is good too. So I've got a couple of cups of cut up chicken, and we actually made a beer chicken the other night, last night, and cooked it on the grill, really nice and moist. So this is what's left. So a couple cups of that, and then I chopped up just maybe a quarter of an onion and a stalk of celery. And stalk, you can put whatever you like in there, and I just mixed that up. And all I'm going to do is add a quarter cup of mayonnaise, and I use, this is not a commercial, but I use Duke's mayonnaise because we really like the taste. Use whatever you like. And then I'm going to put the same amount of our lemon peppercorn salad dressing. Well, this is good as a marinade, also as a salad dressing, obviously. And awesome in here because chicken and lemon just go really good together. So I'm just going to mix that up. It's that simple. We're going to have it for supper. I'm just going to put a big blob on the plate with some lettuce and maybe some other veggies, and that'll be our nice supper. So try it. You'll like it. Thanks. Bye.